Hi there guys, it's Susan here and we're in the middle of some serious bubble soccer. But I wanted to talk about a question that you might get at Easter times. Have you ever been teaching, the Easter lesson, and all of a sudden a hand goes up and a kid asks that question, is the Easter bunny real? Well, that's a pretty tricky one. And we can really stuff it up if we're not prepared. I remember hearing a story of a second grade Sunday school teacher who, when he got this question, he felt it was his duty to tell the truth about the Easter bunny. And I tell you, there were a lot of disappointed little second graders. Not only that, their parents weren't happy, and then the poor pastor had a major headache to have to undo after that. Now, when we're getting questions like this, we need to be prepared. And there are many different ways you can answer it, but I can think of two that are really, really simple. First of all, you just acknowledge, hey, that's a great question. And that's a really good question to ask your mom or dad, because they'll probably know a lot about that. But today, we're actually focusing on the Bible story of Easter. And then you just keep teaching your lesson and keep going on and leave it at that.
Go, go, go! Ah!
Now, I heard the other week a really good Sunday school teacher was teaching the story of creation, and I guess because Easter's coming up, kids were thinking about things, and she was talking about God creating the animals and the plants and everything, and a hand went up and said, oh, did God create the Easter bunny? And a very smart Sunday school teacher answered it this way. It's just beautiful. She said, God created all the animals, and He created all the bunnies. But the Easter bunny's pretty special, isn't it? And the kids all went, yes. And then she just continued on with teaching the creation story. So I thought that was a beautiful, positive way to kind of circumvent that question. Now, when we're teaching other people's kids, we need to be wise, we need to be sensitive, and we need to be respectful of their own family and their own cultural traditions. It's not our job to be talking about the Easter bunny. So I just wanted to give you the heads up just in case you get that little tricky question this year. And if you like this idea, can you give it a thumbs up? Maybe share it with a friend or someone on your team so that they're prepared for this question. And if you'd like more simple tips and teaching ideas, you can subscribe to my channel, tap the bell, and you'll be notified whenever I put up a new clip. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you liked this little tip and enjoyed a little bit of bubble soccer.
Hey Mel, go for it!